morning, this is Kasturi Day. Today I am going to start with the question answer series of physical quantities and measurement chapter according to ICSE syllabus class 8. Okay, so I am starting with the fill in the blanks today. The density of zinc is 4.2 grams per centimeter cube and the volume of 420 grams of zinc is 100 centimeter cube. An iron needle sinks in water as its density is dash than 1 gram per centimeter cube. You can say the more. The answer is more than 1 gram per centimeter cube. That's why the iron needle sinks in water. Okay, and water density is 1 gram per centimeter cube. Solid S floats in liquid L. The density of S is less than the liquid L, because when a solid has to float in a liquid, the solid has to have the density which is less than the liquid. The density of milk is 1.04 grams per centimeter cube. Therefore, 1 centimeter cube of milk has a mass of 1.04 grams. Sea breeze blows from the sea towards the earth or land, you can say. The density of gold is 19.6 grams per centimeter cube. Its density in SI system is 19.6 into 10 to the power 3 kg per meter cube, or you can say 19,600 kg per meter cube. The Eureka can is used to determine the volume of a irregular solid. During natural ventilation, the warm air leaves from the ventilators. 1 kg is the mass of dash milliliter of water at 4 degree centigrade. I think I've missed this answer. I'll tell you in my next video. Okay. See, next is mass is equal to density into volume. The SI system of density is kg per meter cube. Density of water is 1000 kg per meter cube. One gram per centimeter cube is equal to dash kg per meter cube, that is 1000 kg per meter cube. The density of a body which sinks in water is more than 1000 kg per meter cube. A body sinks in a liquid A but floats in a liquid B. The density of liquid A is the density of the liquid is less than the density of B. Okay. Then a body sinks in water. Okay, a body X sinks in water, but a body Y floats on water. The density of the body X is more than the density of the body Y. The buoyant force experienced by a body when floating in salt water is dash is equal to that when floating in pure water. The weight of a body floating in a liquid is 0. Write true or false for each statement. We are coming to true and false. Okay. So equal volumes of two different substances have equal masses. That's false. It's have different masses. The density of a piece of a brass will change by changing its size or shape. It's false. It will not change. The density of a liquid decreases with the increase in its temperature. That's true. The relative density of water is 1. True. Relative density of a substance is experienced in gram per centimeter cube. That's false. It has no density because relative density is a pure ratio. It's a ratio of the same quantities. Therefore, this relative density has no unit. When a body is immersed in a liquid, the buoyant force experienced by a body is equal to the volume of the liquid displaced by it. False. It depends on the volume of the body immersed in the liquid. If the volume is more, the buoyant force is more. And it also depends the density of the liquid in which that body is immersed. That is, if the density is more, then the buoyant force is more. Okay. So in this statement is false. Next we come to a body experiences the same buoyant force while floating in water or alcohol. That's true. Then a body experiences the same buoyant force when it floats or sinks in water. That's false. Buoyant force depends on the volume of the body immersed in the liquid. So volume more, the volume, if the volume of the substance is more, the buoyant force will be more. The body floats in a liquid when its weight becomes equal to the weight of the liquid displaced by its submerged part. That's true. A body, while floating, sinks deeper in a liquid of low density than in a liquid of high density. That's true. Okay, a body having density more than 1 gram per centimeter cube sinks in water. That's true. The hot air rises up as its density increases. No, it's false. It's the density. If the density decreases, then only the hot air will rise up. Liquids have high density due to their molecules are as their molecules are tightly packed in a small volume. That is okay. No, solids. The statement is false. Okay, it will be solids. Solids have a high density. Okay, because their molecules are tightly packed in a small volume. The sea breeze is in the coastal regions blows at night. No, land breeze blows at night. Okay, that's so the statement is false. The hot air in the rooms rises up and flows out of the ventilators. The fresh and the cold air from outside flows into the room from doors and windows. That's true. The density of solids hardly changes with the rise in temperature by 20 degrees centigrade. That's true. Plimsoll lines are marked on the hull of a ship for decorative purpose. No, false. They are marked to indicate the level to which the ship should be submerged in the sea water at some particular geographical location. Okay. To mark that, the Plimsoll lines are marked. Okay. Then we have come to choose the correct answer. When the water in a beaker is heated, the warm water uh, rises upward, sinks downward, stay at one place or move sideways. It rises upwards. The SI unit of density is gram per centimeter cube, gram per meter cube, kg per centimeter cube, kg per meter cube. The kg per meter cube is the answer. With the rise in temperature, the density decreases maximum in case of gases. The density of mercury is 13.6 grams per centimeter cube in CGS system. It's in SI system, its density will be 13600, that is 13,600 kg per meter cube. When a liquid is heated, it expands and its level rises upward. In order to find the density of a solid, we have to find its mass and volume. When the air cools, its density increases. Sorry, its density decreases. When the air cools, its density decreases. That's why it rises up. Okay. Oh, sorry. When it cools, it increases, but when it is hot, it decreases. So when the air cools, its density increases. The first one will be the correct answer. Okay. In coastal region, the density of air above sea during night is less than that of the land air. Okay. Then the correct relation is density mass is equal to density into volume. The relative density of alcohol is 0.8. Its density is 800 kg per meter cube. A block of wood of density 0.8 grams per centimeter cube has a volume of 60 centimeter cube. The mass of the block will be 48 grams. Okay. The density of aluminium is 2.7 grams per centimeter cube and that of brass is 8.4 grams per centimeter cube. The correct statement is the mass of a certain volume of brass is more than the mass of the equal volumes of aluminium. Okay. Then we come to the next one, 13th one. A density bottle has a marking 25 ml on it. It means that the density bottle will store 25 ml of any liquid in it. Okay. The correct statement is the buoyant force of a body is equal to the weight of the liquid displaced by it. A piece of wood floats on water the buoyant force of wood will be less than the weight of the wood piece. Okay, the weight of the body is more than the buoyant force and buoyant force experienced by it due to the liquid, the body will sink. Okay, so I'll stop here. I'll continue with the rest of the question answers in my next video. Please go through this. If you have any doubt regarding this chapter or any other chapters which I have taught previously, please do write in the comment box, and hope that you are liking the videos. If you are liking it, please do press the like button and share with your friends so that they can also be benefited from this. Okay, and if you are a new viewer to my channel and not subscribed yet, please do subscribe to get the notification of my next video. Thank you. And another thing I want to tell you, that the text videos link will be given in the descriptive box of this videos, of this question answer videos. Okay, so for your reference. Okay, thank you.